Every dispatcher thinks their aircraft is the best. If you ever sit around dispatchers long enough, you will notice something funny. We all think our aircraft is superior. My name is Esther Green. I'm a licensed flight dispatcher. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. One time I was on an official trip and I used a brother aircraft. My HOD had to make me see the dispatcher on ground. And on meeting the dispatcher, I don't even know where it all started. We just started bragging. He started the bragging. He started bragging about his own aircraft. And I'm like, okay, I can't wait to see this your aircraft. Well, I think I was the last to board, and he hailed me again from the cockpit. And he was like, hello, dispatcher. And I'm like, is this the aircraft that is superior than mine? Please. One dispatcher is like, is saying, my aircraft performs better. The other will be like, my aircraft is more beautiful. And meanwhile, we are all doing the same checks, watching the same weather, and stressing over the release time. Just proudly defending our baby, I guess. It's friendly bragging though, because when you plan flights every day, your aircraft stops being numbers and meter. It becomes your responsibility. And if you're a dispatcher, you already know your aircraft is the best.